In this video, we will show you how to isolate bacteria. We are going to use these following tools in this lab. First, take a sample from any area that contains a mixture of bacteria using a swab. Position the Petri plate, then streak out the bacteria into the surface of the solid media by using any streak plate method. Place the plates upside down above each other, then place it in the incubator for 1 day.